Did you know that there's a lake with bull sharks in it? Let's explore Earth from space. Today we visit Nicaragua. With an area of nearly 130,000 square kilometers, a string of some 40 volcanoes stretches northwest to southeast along the Pacific coast. The paw-shaped Gulf of Fonseca on the Pacific coast is a natural harbor shared by Nicaragua, El Salvador and Honduras. The Cosiguina Peninsula, which makes up the Gulf's southern border, was formed by sand, ash and lava from the Cosiguina volcano, located on the tip. This large cloud-covered lake is Lake Nicaragua. With an area of 8,157 square kilometers, it is the largest freshwater lake in Central America and contains bull sharks, which are able to spend a lot of time in fresh water. That's all for this week. My name is Jorge. Tell us where you'd like to go next, or stay if you want to do this again.